Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to delete Wix account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Wix account and click on this profile icon and go to account settings, and now scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will find this close your account option. To close your account, first move any remaining sites to trash. If your site has any premium plans or domains connected, you will need to cancel or transfer them first. So I have a website here. You can see I need to move this site to trash, so I'm going to clicking on this site, and now your site dashboard will open. Now click on site actions and click on move to trash and move to trash. So here you can see my site has been moved to trash. And now click on your profile again and go to site settings, scroll down, and here you will get close your account. Now click on learn more. So here you will get an article name closing your Wix account. So you have to go to step 4, and here you will get the option to close your account. So all you have to need, just click on close your account, and give the reason why you are closing your account, and you can give a feedback here. And to continue, enter your Wix account password and check this option, and now click on close account, close my account. And here you can see I have successfully closed my account. So this is how we can delete Wix account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.